Have you ever dreamed of escaping to the sunny Mediterranean coast without leaving home? What if I told you that even your small balcony can become a warm, breezy retreat that feels like a mini vacation? In this video, we'll show you how to turn your outdoor space into a beautiful Mediterranean-style escape using easy, affordable ideas. Could your little outdoor corner become your own slice of the Mediterranean? Watch till the end to see the transformation. Whether you love the bright charm of Santorini or the rustic feel of a Spanish courtyard, we'll guide you with real, practical tips. No big renovation or expensive budget needed. So let's step into a world where terracotta meets turquoise and olive trees sway beside soft linen curtains. Welcome to your own Mediterranean getaway. Segment 1, Setting the Mood, Mediterranean Color and Vibe. The first step in transforming your balcony into a Mediterranean sanctuary is getting the color palette and vibe just right. Think sun-faded whites, seafoam green, dusty blues, terracotta reds, and soft earthy tones. You don't need to repaint the entire balcony. Simply add color through textiles like cushions, rugs, and tablecloths. A blue and white striped throw or a mustard-toned pillow can already set the tone. If you're on a budget, consider thrifting fabrics or even repurposing indoor items. The Mediterranean is all about relaxed, unfussy beauty. Use items you already own that evoke warmth and calm. Candles, woven baskets, or even vintage plates hung on the wall can work wonders. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about evoking a sense of the sea, sun, and simplicity. Segment 2, bring in natural materials, wood, clay, and stone. Mediterranean design is rooted in nature, and materials like weathered wood, clay, and stone are key. Look for simple wooden furniture with a rustic edge. Think folding chairs, small bistro tables, or even crates turned into benches. You don't have to splurge. Secondhand shops or DIY platforms often have affordable options. Clay pots are another budget-friendly gem. Line them up with herbs like rosemary, thyme, or oregano. Not only do they smell incredible, but they immediately give that Southern European courtyard feel. If you have access to small stone tiles or pebbles, consider creating a mosaic-style tray or placing them around plant bases for texture. Layering different materials in a casual way makes your balcony feel warm and authentic. Segment 3. Add greenery, Mediterranean plants that thrive in pots. Nothing says Mediterranean like lush greenery peeking out of terracotta pots. The great news? Many Mediterranean plants thrive in pots and don't require much maintenance. Start with olive trees. Many dwarf varieties are perfect for containers. Then there's lavender, which loves the sun and adds a soft fragrance to your space. Don't forget about succulents like aloe or H. Severia. They reflect the dry climate of the region. Want to add instant charm? Mix in some climby plants like jasmine or bougainvillea, and hang small planters on your railing or use a ladder shelf to layer pots vertically. Even a small balcony can feel like a Tuscan terrace when draped with green textures and scents. Segment 4. Functional and cozy seating on a budget. Comfort doesn't have to cost a lot. You can create a cozy seating area even with a tiny budget. Use floor cushions with Mediterranean-style covers or layer an old mattress with throws and pillows to create a daybed. And a folding chair with a linen slipcover or even a bench made from reclaimed wood brings rustic charm. Don't forget to include a small table. Even a DIY crate stack can serve as a perfect spot for your morning coffee or evening sangria. Use outdoor-friendly fabric to weatherproof your seating if needed, and always aim for softness. The Mediterranean lifestyle is about slow living, so make your corner a place you'll want to linger, read a book, sip tea, or dream about seaside holidays. Segment 5. Lighting the escape. Warm, inviting glow. Lighting is the secret ingredient that turns a simple balcony into an enchanting escape, especially in the evenings. Mediterranean nights are known for their magic, and your balcony can reflect that too. Choose soft, golden light. String lights are a favorite. Drape them along the railing or overhead using removable hooks. Lanterns and candle holders add romantic warmth, and you can find them cheaply at secondhand markets or even make them from old jars. Solar-powered garden lights are also a smart budget choice, and if you want to be creative, wrap battery-operated fairy lights in a glass bottle or hang a woven basket as a makeshift pendant lamp. The key is to keep the light low, layered, and cozy, just like in a quiet Grecian village at twilight. There you have it, your very own Mediterranean escape right on your balcony. With just a few thoughtful touches, a sprinkle of creativity, and a modest budget, you can create a space that feels like a seaside vacation every single day. It's about capturing a feeling more than replicating a look. Let the sun guide your choices, let nature shape your design, and most of all, let yourself slow down and enjoy your outdoor space. If you enjoyed this transformation guide, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Liviaro Studio, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next design journey. Tell us in the comments, what's your dream balcony vibe? We'd love to hear how you're planning your own Mediterranean escape. Until next time, stay inspired, stay grounded, and keep creating beautiful moments at home, one cozy corner at a time. Remember, it's the little touches and thoughtful details that turn a house into a place that truly feels like you.